How to add website to home screen on Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a website, kind of like these apps down here, to the home screen on your Samsung phone so you can just select it and open it up in the browser. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to do this, we need to open up the browser on our Samsung phone, and I recommend opening up the default browser, the Samsung browser, rather than Google Chrome. So if you use Google Chrome, I recommend for this using the Samsung browser because Google Chrome actually made this a little bit harder and it doesn't work as well in my opinion. So I'm going to open up the Samsung browser that looks like that. Once you get the browser open, navigate to the website that you want to add to your home screen and then select the little three dots in the bottom menu. Once the menu opens, select Add Page To, and all we need to do is select Home Screen. It's going to come up with a quick example right there, the name that'll be on our home screen. Select Add, and then select Add one more time. And now if I go to my home screen, you can see that the website is added right there. Now I can long press it to move it around if I want to change its position. And if I want to remove it, I would just long press it and select Remove right there. But now if I select that, it'll open up the browser and take me directly to that website. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.